bison, it is survival of the fittest, and being able to spread a line of hay and forage out that far to have the smaller ones be able to eat and the larger ones eat at the same time, it makes me sleep better at night. My name is Daniel Johnson, and I'm a first-generation bison rancher located in the rolling green hills of Cornersville, Tennessee. I've never had any agricultural experience, farming or ranching. Had a dream to raise my children on a ranch, and I started with 9 bison. Now we have over 100. We always like to leave options for the bison. That's one thing I have learned, is they're very picky animals. I wanted some kind of machine or something out there that I could spread the hay bales out, which is super important. We were hand rolling the bales out down a hill, so that way we could feed our bison properly. As the ranch kept growing, I quickly started stumbling upon other pieces of equipment that other farmers and ranchers across the world use, and Hustler was one of them that kept popping up. Once I got connected with Hustler in Minnesota, they quickly connected me with my local dealer, which was Mitch at Ag Central Co-op, and he brought it within, I think it was about 2 days. We used it one roll and we said, yeah, we're good, we'll keep it. When it comes to the LX105, the main benefit is ease of operation. I would probably put that above everything. The fact that it's a one-man show, the fact that it runs off of hydraulics on your tractor, the safety alone is worth its weight in gold. And I think one of the awesome parts of the story and the journey that I found out is all these different equipment companies where you find it, you fall in love. They had the exact same vision and dream that I did. They wanted to help us out. And meeting Hustler and the people that I've worked with, I can tell that genuinely that their plan was to help ranchers and farmers out, make their life just maybe a little bit simpler.